stand, and leisure time to sit awhile. There is a fair maid in this town, who sorely has my heart beguiled. Her rosy cheeks and ruby lips alone she holds my heart enthralled. Then fill to me the parting glass. Good night, and God be with you all the comrades that e'er I had, they're sorry for my going away, and of all the sweethearts that e'er I had, they'd wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls into my lot that I should rise and you should not, oh, gently rise and softly call. Good night, and God be with you all. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night, and God be with you all.
Sorry, my flute is a little wet in the holes. My fingers are a little chapped from yesterday. Out here, enjoying creation, Mother Earth. I found something in the web of life out here I want to share with you. I don't know how long he'll stay on my hand when I open it, but I thought you would love this. Oh. Let me get him again. There we go. Oh, careful, guy. What do you think? Oh, isn't he beautiful? He or she. There's so many things out here in the web of life that are just beautiful. Isn't this wonderful? Okay, I'll let you go. This forest is full of this sacred, the web of life. Animals, lots of animals out here. I've seen foxes, coyotes, wild deer. getting a taste of that repellent in my mouth when I was trying to play with flute. So many things around you that are unseen and seen. Oops. I was just going to share that with you. Oh, here it is. I don't know if you can see that. It's a spider. Oh, isn't it wonderful? Wow. Very beautiful. Whoops. Every time I come out here for a spiritual meditation and reflection, I get a lot of nature. The frogs, the spiders, mosquitoes, they are out there. You'll have to forgive me, I'm still in the process of learning this instrument. I'll be taking some lessons soon. I have such big fingers and there's 6 holes, and if you don't have the holes covered just right, you're not going to get the good sound you need. So just thought I'd share that with you. We'll head towards the interior a little further here. And so far the repellent is working, but this is all wonderful. So much that is, you can see, and there's so much that is unseen. I'm talking spiritual, paranormal, everything in creation. The trees, the animals, all have spirits. It's all part of the creation process.